Have you been thinking about ordering from Butcherbox? You've been looking at the website and thinking to yourself, I wonder what it's really like when it comes to your house? Well, this is my second box from Butcherbox. The first one was fantastic, so I went a little overboard, so we have a giant box. We're going to unbox it, we're going to open it up, take a look at everything, and give it a review. Enjoy. Alright, so the shipping weight on this box was just a little over 46 pounds. There's a whole mix of beef, chicken, pork, all kinds of good stuff in here. Let's take it out and take a look. Alright, let's start looking. First thing we got was, St. Patrick's Day is coming up, so we got corned beef brisket. We got a whole organic free-range chicken. This whole box cost me about $240. Like I said, I went a little overboard. The quality of stuff last time I ordered was just fantastic, so I wanted to get more stuff again. Now I have a whole freezer full of it. This is my St. Louis style ribs. Got some baby backs in here too. I put those in the smoker. Got chicken party wings for your football party you have coming up. We got 3 pounds of wings. They also have sales. You can't see them when you're doing your first order, but after you put your first order in your cart, they have monthly and weekly specials. So we got these organic breaded chicken nuggets. These are only $5. So after you buy your big box, or after you buy like your main package, they have other little things that are on sale throughout the week and throughout the month. Like these. These are uncured hot dogs. Same thing, getting ready to have a party, so we're going to put these in some barbecue sauce. Put them in the slow cooker and just let them warm up, and people can have them for appetizers while we're waiting for the rest of the food. Now let's get to the steaks. Another one for the smoker. This is a grass-fed beef brisket. It's nice and trimmed up. As opposed to buying in the grocery store, you have to trim all the fat off yourself. You're spending a lot of money on just waste. We got some bacon. They do have packages of Butcherbox bacon that you can buy in bulk. We just got one. So I got a bunch from last time that I just haven't gotten to yet. The steaks. Okay, so when you do sign up, when it's your first order, they usually have some sort of promotion. We actually have an affiliate link in the description of the video that'll get you $30 off your first box, and whatever their current promotion is. When I signed up, we do make commission off that. When I signed up, you got 2 New York strips with every order for a year. So these are my I'm sorry, not New York strips, ribeyes. These are my grass-fed ribeyes. We had these last time, absolutely delicious. I think right now their promo is chicken and steak, but I'm not exactly sure what it is. Like I said, there'll be a link in the description. Now this is a giant grass-fed top sirloin cap steak. Getting quite the pile. Then what we got? Grass-fed flank steak. It's rolled up. One thing I like about Butcherbox is that their meat's always nicely sealed, so you don't get a lot of freezer burn on it. This one we got is a grass-fed tri-tip. So that's going to be nice for the grill, maybe a main course for our football party. These are grass-fed tenderloin tips, so little slices of tenderloin. We're going to make some Philly cheesesteaks on the Blackstone griddle with those. Okay, here are our filet mignons or tenderloin steaks. We're going to use these on the Blackstone again. We're going to do a little hibachi at home. So we got those to use for the channel. Oh yeah, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, we really appreciate it if you would. Like I said, we got some cool cooking videos coming up. Most of it's going to be in the yard, so stay tuned for all those. What do we have here? Grass-fed flat iron steak. So Butcherbox is always grass-fed and grass-finish. These ones are raised without hormones or antibiotics. Just a lot of good quality products from them. It's a big hunk of meat. Grass-fed boneless chuck roast. And then a pork tenderloin. Not really sure what I'm going to do with this, but I'll just cook it up for a snack. Alright, so this is what it's like when you order from Butcherbox. Check out our links in the description to any of these individual products, and subscribe to the channel so you can see us cook all this stuff up. Alright, hope you enjoyed.